From this evening, I must give the British people a very simple instruction. You must stay at home. You must stay at home. Stay at home. And among other changes, on March the 8th, you'll be able to have a coffee on a bench or a picnic in a park with one person outside your household.
Yes! Lockdown is over.
No, it's not. Get back inside.
Welcome back to Itchy Feet Guide. Despite the lockdown and this great weather that we're having, this year we have been very busy making plans for updating our content, for improving our content and improvements to our channel for you guys.
Ollie has been busy working on the latest and greatest screen transition you can think of.
Ricky has been honing his skills, polishing his craft, coming up with the most outrageous scripts.
Hey, can I bounce some video ideas off?
Sorry, busy.
Well, come on, you're my creativity. This is your job. What lovely town should feature in our next Itchy Feet video? Guildford? Godalming?
Aldershot, you love it there.
Yeah, I was thinking of something a bit more quaint and English. Like Sheer.
Oh, Cher! We love Cher! Is she English?
It's Sheer. Don't worry.
Relax. You know what? Imagine yourself as a foreigner.
Right. And what's that got to do with the price of fish?
See the world with a fresh pair of eyes. You can make anything interesting.
Anything? You do have a point. I think I know how to continue now. Thanks.
Alright, bye.
Just because we don't have the same freedom to film as we used to, it just forces us to be a bit more creative about how we do it.
Well, there's plenty to see and do in Guildford. One of the highlights has got to be the Guildford Castle. And when you're here, you simply can't miss the castle arch at the entrance of the castle. You can still see the slits where the portcullis used to be more than 700 years ago. Come in! Hello?
Ollie. Ollie, the other Itchy Feet guy.
Oh, hi Ollie. I'm just doing some filming. You cannot believe it. I had to run all the way from the other side of the room.
Filming? Must be tiring.
Yeah, it's exhausting.
Anyway, just coming up to the mount.
Really?
Yeah, I hear it's a really easy cycle.
I'll see you on the mount.
See you there in a bit.
Bye! We are looking forward to filming for real for you guys, but in the meantime, I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy during the lockdown.
Better times are almost here, and we'll be filming as soon as conditions allow. Remember to subscribe so you can be the first to see the new videos that we make.
We're the Itchy Feet Guide,
Remember to stay itchy.
Everything is soaked now. Where's my camera?